The ocean is made up of many layers from the surface all the way to the bottom. This is mainly due to the amount of sunlight that penetrates into the ocean's water. Because of this, the ocean life in the different layers vary. Hi guys, Jamie here. Today we'll be recreating the first 3 layers of the ocean inside a bottle. You will need a plastic bottle, some water, cooking oil, blue food coloring, and a permanent marker. Step 1. Clean the bottle and remove the wrapper. Step 2. Add in some water to about 2/3 of the bottle. Step 3. Add in some blue food coloring to the water. Make sure to add enough food coloring so that the water is pretty dark. Step 4. Add in about 125 milliliters of cooking oil and close the lid. Step 5. Shake it up and observe the layers. You may need to set it down for a few seconds for the 3 layers to form. Step 6. Using a permanent marker, label the 3 zones of the ocean. At the top, sunlight zone. In the middle, twilight zone. And at the bottom, midnight zone. And there you have it, guys. Once the oil settles at the top of the water, you can go ahead and shake it up again. Do you know why the oil and the water don't permanently mix? Well, let us know in the comment section below. And remember to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And remember, always question, always wonder.